Hi guys, it's a new day, a new month, and of course a new flight because we are at the airport. And the destination that we're traveling this time is Finland. And we're not going anywhere in Finland, we're going to Rovaniemi. And we're not going simply to Rovaniemi, we are taking the Santa Express. So follow along and I'll show you how the entire journey from Helsinki to Rovaniemi is. Guys, we made it to Helsinki and now we have 8 hours until our train. So we're planning to store our luggage in the luggage storage area in the train station so that we have some free time to roam around. I think first things first, we'll just go grab something to eat and then do our grocery shopping. So we'll see you at the station. Guys, pro tip, if you have a lot of time to spend, always store your luggage in a locker that you'll find anywhere in the airport or train station. So it's currently 4:30, we'll be back by 10:30, so we're taking 6 hours, which is 5:09. Guys, it's been 8 hours that we're just chilling in this. Why am I in weird angle? In this very empty railway station. It's around 10:30. We're almost there. 11:03 is when the the train comes to the platform, and then 11:15 it leaves. So I think we'll make our way to the platform now, and we'll see you inside the train. Guys, welcome to our private suite. So let me show you. As soon as you enter, you have 2 key cards, an entire full-sized mirror, a place to keep your jackets, and then the window with a seat where you can sit and see the views. There are 2 beds. It's a bunk bed, and they also give you some towels and a bottle of water. Now this is the fun part. It's the washroom. It's the washroom which says you have a this area and also a shower area. Now we were thinking, where's the shower? It's just this and it ends. But this is the shower area, and you have like proper shower, and then they also offer you with soaps, and then there's some glasses, some head shower cap. So overall it's great. There are 2 trains. There are 2 night trains to Rovaniemi from Helsinki. One starts at 7:30 p.m. This is the 11:15 p.m. one. The 7:30 one reaches at 7 o'clock in the morning to Rovaniemi. This one reaches at 11:15 in the morning. And there's one thing to note, that the check-in in Finland starts around 3 to 4 p.m. So if you reach at 7, you have nothing to do until the afternoon, or maybe if you have plans, then that train is great. But this train also is nice. And the next compartment, we are in coach 59. Coach 58 is the rest row, and this is the upper berth for our suite or cabin. It's a whole private cabin that we've taken, which comes with a shower. There's another cabin which is just beds, and then there's another type of ticket which are just seats. So now it's October, not really a very popular season because it's autumn and it's kind of rainy. So this came up to 240 euros for 2 people. The one without the washroom is around 200 euros, and the seats start from 170 euros. So these are rates for October. I'll share the link in the description of where you can book these tickets. And for now, I think since it's quite late, we'll just have something. We brought dinner with us. Have that. We'll watch Big Boss, and then I'll show you around the train either today or tomorrow morning. Maybe we'll go to the restaurant to just check out and have some breakfast. But overall, I think it's a great place for an overnight journey. 11 hours up to 12 hours you're in this place, and it's quite comfy. So see you. another feature in this cabin is that you also have this special light for you and a system where you can set the alarm. So here there are instructions on how you can set your alarm, and if you feel the train is a little wobbly and shaky, you also have seat belts. It's great.
Number 58, and it will be open tonight till 1:30, then closed and open again 4 o'clock.
So I just wanted to say that you also have these temperature controls here, so you can either make your cabin cold or hot. And we just got an announcement that the restaurant is open until 1:30 a.m. and then it opens at 4 a.m. in the morning. And then they also announced at around 30 minutes before, I was going to say landing, before we reach Rovaniemi, to give you a wake-up call if you've not set an alarm. So overall, the experience is great. I'm loving it. A liar. I'm loving it so far. I'll see you tomorrow to show you around the train and catch you during breakfast. Good morning, guys. It's 10:20 and we have 1 hour to reach Rovaniemi. This is the view. Currently the train is stopped because I don't know, it's a signal or something, but overall we've got this view. I just woke up like half an hour ago because it was quite comfortable, and now I'm going to grab some breakfast, so we'll see you there. Now I know why people come early for breakfast, because it's all sold out, so we only have yogurt left and a cup of coffee because even latte was out of stock. So yeah, that's our breakfast with a great view. I'll also turn the camera and show you. Guys, we made it to Rovaniemi. This is the train and that's the bus station. You'll see there are buses to Santa Village, so we might just take one of those and reach the city center. It's nice and cold. It's 6 degrees. See, right in front of the station there is a bus stop where you can board your buses to the city center, or there are cabs here if you've pre-booked it with the stay that you've booked. As far as I know, the Santa Express is free to Santa Village from city center, but I'm not sure if it's free from the train station. I'll let you know. There are also taxis if you wish for taxis. Yeah. Welcome to the village of Santa. Welcome to Rovaniemi. Guys, we just got done with our grocery shopping because our stay has a kitchen, and we're staying in the Santa Village, so there are restaurants, but it's kind of expensive, so it's always good to cook in the place that you stay if you have a kitchen available. And right now we've taken the Santa Express to reach the Santa Park, and from there our hotel is like 6 minutes walk. I'll give you a room tour of the hotel because it's actually very beautiful, but like always, it's only us in this entire bus. Apna hi bus hai. So next stop, we'll see you where we stay. Guys, that's it for the train journey. We made it to Rovaniemi, we made it to our stay, and in the next video I'll show you the stay, as well as we'll be visiting the northernmost McDonald's in the world. So we'll see you there. Stay tuned, and if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'm happy to help. Until then, stay safe. See you.